It's me again. I'm back on the street again. Back on track. Now I made some repairs and I just left Leduc. There's the sign somewhere. And a beautiful May morning, May the 5th, on the route 2A down south again. So I will do the same road a bit. It's beautiful weather, the sun is up there, but it's kind of a cold now. It's only 11 degrees Celsius, and now there's the rumble strip again. Oop. Okay, see you soon. I'm back on track. 43,000 kilometers. Just a little bit, some Ks, I don't know how many Ks it will be until Ponoka in Alberta, on my way to Calgary. I and my Solatrike reached 43,000 kilometers. Yeah, the flags are celebrating as well. Not anymore. I have tailwind suddenly. Yay! Ten kilometers in front of Ponoka, I reached 43,000 kilometers. So let's make it very serious. 43,000 kilometers. Good morning, folks. It's a beautiful day today, but it's worse than it looks because I'm in the wind shelter now. I left Ponoka this morning and I went into a fierce headwind and up 2 big hills into the headwind. That's not fun. So now I'm heading in direction Alix. See what I can find there. That's what I'm talking about! From Ponoka I took the road A15 and now I'm on the highway 12 in direction Stettler, but I was already in Stettler last year, so I will go down to Alix and then south. Okay, Alix campground was closed. I went down to the Red Deer River. That campground is also closed. On the other side there is only a trailer park. So I will just continue driving and I don't know if I can... I don't know what I will do. And it's windy as hell. For sure, headwind, nothing else. Hello folks! Here is the boring old geriatric fart again. I'm on a boring bicycle. That's the Solatrike, it's a boring thing. And I will drive through boring landscape. So there is nothing, there is just boring, just only wind, nothing else. Full of wind. So I tell you a boring story. Yesterday I didn't find a campground in Alix, neither at the Red Deer River. So I went to Delburn and there is in the middle there is a park, and I wanted to camp there, but the Karen told me that there isn't a campground anymore because there is a playground next to, and the children are playing, so I'm not allowed to camp in the night because there are children playing. I don't know if there are vampires when the children are playing only in the night. I haven't seen any children playing. That's another story. So I finally went to an RV park and they allow me to pitch my tent there. I don't know, can you hear me for this wind? And I could finally pitch the tent there. And today I will ride further on Route 21 south against the wind. The wind has no other direction than from that direction into my face. So today I will go against the wind over 3 hills to 3 hills. That's why it calls 3 hills, because it's surrounded by 3 hills and you have to cross 3 hills, 3 hills, 3 hills. So I will. Good morning, folks. It's my ugly face again. So yesterday I went to 3 hills, and there I met some people and one cat triker. That was funny to see a guy with a trike as well. So and then I had the chance to stay overnight at a host of warm showers. And today I left 3 hills in direction south, and then I went on a road named, I don't know, 27, no, 800 whatever, and then that was crosswind from that side, so I cannot hear anymore anything from this side. And up the hill up to 953 meters altitude was quite a bit, and then down again, and now I'm on another road which I don't know the number, and I crossed Acme here. Acme, you know the name maybe of the Roadrunner. They named the town here after not after the Roadrunner, after Acme. And now I will go with a little help of tailwind. Yes, it's not a myth. Sometimes when you're a little bit lucky there is tailwind. I will go down to Irricana today. Welcome back in Calgary. So today I went from Irricana all the way uphill and against the wind, and then until the Glenmore Trail, then crosswind until Calgary, and now I'm on a shitty roads in Calgary back again. Here you see some mountains far behind. Far away some mountains, and now I try to find my way back home to the host I was last time. Thanks. Back on track.